clean up my car. Off to work now. Stopping by at the gas station to fill up the tank before continuing to work. It's really a mess. So this one, there's a collision in this location. As you can see, the rescue trucks, there's a police there. That's the one that makes this the highway in heavy traffic. Still falling hard. Snow is still falling until now. There's another collision on the highway. So actually the highway is very slippery. That's why we have to be very careful when driving during snowfall. But some drivers are not really concerned. They just want to reach their destination so fast that accidents happen. Waterfront in downtown Toronto, and the lake has just frozen. See the lake there? It's being frozen now.